Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have the software called GeoTarget, and this is the best global geo-targeting software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, so from the dashboard you can directly add your geo redirect, so auto redirect website visitors to URL based on their geolocation. So it is going to be totally customized according to your customers and your audience, that from which exact location they are accessing your site. They will be automatically directed using this. You have your geolinks, geo content, dynamically change content in your website based on visitor geo location. So basically, from different type and different areas of the world, people are accessing sites, and they want customizations and different contents according to their area and location that they are in. So you can totally customize that in here. You can add it to site using this option. So once you click on that, you will be able to enter your website in here and then use the geolocation in selected pages and website. So it is something really effective for your sites to boost up its integrity and the connection that you are going to be building. So in the left side, you can see the products, geo redirect, geo link, geo content, and all of these. Basically, you have your subscriptions, and then in the settings, you can customize whatever you would like to change about the site. You have your theme, so if you want to work collaboratively on some project, you can do that as well. And you have your documents as well. So this is something that you can go through if you need much more help. Now still, if you are unsure about GeoTargetly, you can see GeoTargetly gets the job done, and it helps to upsell digital product that is only available to customers in certain states. Makes your websites like ESPN. So the reviews are really amazing. That means you should give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.